Greetings to you all, and we are glad to have you guys back on this channel, just like always. And guys, on today's video, we are live at the ongoing construction of the Government House Road and the 3 Zone Road. So guys, as you can see over here, the GELD are progressing massively already, and what they are doing right now is working on the walkways. So they are filling the walkways and also fixing some culverts that will be connecting into some little streets around or along this road. Also from here, we are progressing towards the Government House Road proper, so that you will see the magnificent work that has been done so far at that axis of this project. And at the same time, if you look around all of these neighborhoods now, you will notice that there has been massive transformations already, talking about buildings springing up left, right, and center. And that is one beautiful thing that this project has done to all of this part of the state. And like I've always told you before now, this is going to be one of the hottest locations in the capital city in the near future. So just in case you have not gotten properties, talking about land properties around these neighborhoods, you can still do that now. That is still early. So guys, also on this video, we'll go into the take you into the Ekwueme Square, so that you will see the massive transformation that has taken place within the Ekwueme Square. You need to see what is going on there. So at the same time, let's progress on this road and also look at the work that is currently going on along the Government House Road and the 3 zones. At the same time, I noticed that they are removing the sands that's in between the demarcations of this road. Yes, they are removing the sands to make way for the green veg and also planting of trees. Yes, these are the noticeable work that are going on along the Government House roads at the moment. So you need to make sure you watch this video to the end, so that you will see a whole lot of progress that is being recorded around the Government House Road and also the Ekwueme Square all together. See you at the end of this video.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele then call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on it. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele yeah. Toba jo, yeah. Toba lo ma jo. Yeah, nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. Now this kind of things where they make man see ya. And me I understand, so your dad know like me lah. See me I want make you know, say me there for you, cara. And if not the price be that, I feel like to see ya. I never tell you for nothing. This love will make me the dark man shit. Without the way that you want, make me tell me with this all thing gone. I never tell you, baby. This love will make me the starting. No, I'm gonna tell me what's up in God. I'm gonna watch it, baby. I'm gonna get I wanna make you, baby. I feel like making you, oh baby, oh no.
Shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci, no. All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue, go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady, you ain't been calling me baby, boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. I know you see it in my line, I'm on your mind and that you want this bad, so I'm cool with that. I'm just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action? Really wanna give you all the flex in front of your friends? How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture.
So over here you can also see the massive progress that have been recorded within the Ekwueme Square. Yes, at this particular grandstand we have the green chambers. At the center grandstand, as you have seen before now, we have the red chambers. And also at the newest grandstand that was constructed recently, we also have the blue chambers at that particular section. So all together making this facility more beautiful, and also the capacity has been massively increased. So let's say your thoughts, let's say your views, let's say your recommendations, your ideas, your advices, whatever it is you would love to share with us about these projects that are going on in Anambra State at the moment. Please do well to share with us on the comment section. And also, if there are things you know about these projects that we don't know about them, please I indulge you to do well to share with us on the comment section, so we all will be on the same page. And just in case you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, comment, share, and give this video a massive thumbs up. Thank you for watching up to this point, and see you on our next epic video coming your way. Bye for now.